Can you see me glowing? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alex. I do all kinds of beauty videos. And like I said, I don't know what it is. It's like when I'm filming, it's going to be super dark outside. So I do apologize about the lighting, but we have the window open. There's just no light coming in from it. So today we're doing a makeup tutorial level 2 and we're testing out some new products. So these are some products that you've never seen before on this channel. So if you're interested in that, just keep watching and I'll leave some of the descriptions down below. So I already washed my face, so it's good. I am going to use this La Cura Day Cream. It's supposed to be for wrinkles. I don't know. It says that you can use it as a makeup base, so that's why I use it, because I don't always like just putting makeup on my bare face because I don't use foundation or BB cream. Maybe I will if I find one that I really like, but so far it's been not a good adventure, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply this quickly. Okay, so the first product we're going to use is the Brow Sculpting Pencil. This is in dark brown. This is from AOA, so any of you who have seen the makeup testing try on have already seen this. So you can't really do a detail because it's so big, but we're just going to go ahead and try our best. We're going to put the product on and then use the spoolie at the end. And this is just going to fill in the brows that, you know, have a little bit of problems, don't have a lot of brow hair. If you put too much product in, it's okay. You can always use your spoolie to even it out. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. And as soon as that's done, we'll get into step 2. For the brow bone highlight, we're going to use Suva Pressed Shadow. This is a shimmer and it's in Empire State. This is I got in a Ricky's unboxing. So here it is. I'm gonna show you guys. It looks really pretty, and this is it swatched. So I think it would make a pretty under the brow bone. I'm just gonna use this blender brush because I don't want to make it too harsh. So for me, I like using this kind of brush. If you want it more thick, you can use a different brush. There are brushes for certain things that make it easier, but in the end, it's your makeup. So if you find a brush that you like that's not used for what it's for and it works for you, then just use it. So I have the brow bone highlight on. Today we're going to be using I Love You So Mochi. I actually got the peach palette, but I found that it didn't give me off the pigment that I wanted, so I ended up trading it for this palette, which I know is super pigmented. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So first I'm going to go in with, oh my gosh. So I read somewhere online that the palette pops out really quickly. So I just opened this palette, and I don't know if you can see it, but like the whole palette is like popping off. So I just want to put that back in if I can.
Just watch me struggle trying to put it back in.
It doesn't seem to want to go back in. So okay, here's the palette. I mean, I just got it and it's popping out. I can't seem to get it back in. So I'm going to go with this color here, which is kind of like a peachy color. I'm going to use that in the crease and I'm going to blend upwards. So we're just going to do a small portion there. Then I'm going to take this color here, which is more of an actual peachy color, and we're going to go over that. Try to darken that up a little bit. We're going to try the darker pink and see if this gives us some color. Something has to give us some pigment, right? Come on. So it is buildable. We finally got some color. I'm going to go ahead and do the next eye. I'm going to go ahead and use the AOA primer, which I forgot to do last time, so you guys will finally get to see how that performs. Have a little bit of a paint smell. Hopefully it's not going to ruin the shadow that we already did. I'm just putting on a small amount. I'm using a concealer brush to blend it out. Don't judge me. Let's see. I have this eyeshadow brush. I had to wet it because I forgot to wash it last time. We're going to go in with this darker pink color and see how beautiful they swatch. Like, look at that. And then on my eyes it's like, oh, okay. So we're going to go ahead and try this. My brush is wet, so we'll see what happens.
I mean, there's some color, but that's not what I want. I kind of want something much... Okay, there we go. So it seems if you pack it on, it'll go on. It just takes a wetted brush and a few more packs on to get it on there. So that is gorgeous, actually. So we're just going to go ahead and do the other side here. That's pretty.
Now that that's done, we're just going to take our crease brush, make sure to push it up a little bit because we have the other shadow color still left over on the brush. So we're just going to move that up a little bit. Okay, boom. If you guys saw my last video, this is the Bomb inner corner highlights. We're going to use this again, of course. Last time or not, but this is Glamazon. I got this from a Ricky's Cult Crush box. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. This is in raspberry. This is the package here. A little bit goes a long way, so make sure not to go heavy-handed or you will be very disappointed. You're just going to take, I know it's a concealer brush, but this I find is like the best for blush. So that's what I'm going to use. So you're going to go ahead and push it all the way back. Use bronzer. I do use the same brush because I have to get a second one. So this is the shimmer bronzer. This is from Miss A. It goes on so nicely, and it's little by little, so you have to build it, which is really awesome because sometimes you use a little bit too much and then you say, oh no, you have to remove it with the makeup wipe. So I'm going to go ahead and bronze that on. Put a little bit at the forehead here. It's pretty. So the next product we're going to use is a Liquid Divine lipstick. This is Death Dealer. This is also from my Ricky's Cult Crush box. Now I have to show you this packaging. It is like gorgeous. This is like evil queen Snow White kind of vibe. So it's really pretty. This is in the shade Death Dealer. So I'm hoping it's going to match. I don't know if it will or not. Looks like it's a little too dark. So I guess we won't be using this lip because I want everything to match with what we have here. AOA Roxy. This should work much better. So the hard part is just not to touch it until it dries. Last product I want to try is the NYX Waterproof. This is the smudging gel. I find that I'm much better with gel than I am liquid lipstick, or I find that I'm much better with the gel than the pen or pencils. For some reason, I can't figure out how to do it quite yet. So this is $9. It is very, very small, as you can see. You don't get much product in here at all, but hopefully it'll be good enough for what we're doing here. So it has this little sticker on it just to kind of protect it. So we're gonna go ahead and, do you guys want to do a swatch? We're gonna do a swatch first. So there's the swatch. It's really black. This is in jet black. Pretty. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and then I'll be right back.
So here's the finished look. I really think this is a really cute look, and I'm really excited to share this with you guys. Hope you like it.
I hope you like it. If you do like these kind of videos, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.